In this video, we are gonna develop simple game in .NET Core. So when we develop our game, we're gonna have this page and this screen. So when we click on start game, we can play the game like this and our score is increasing. And so if you fail here, game over, refresh to play again. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we go to Visual Studio, we open it, we create a new project. We're gonna choose ASP.NET Core MVC project, cat ball game, and create a new project. Here is our new project. We go to Solution Explorer, we go right click here, add new folder, make images. We're gonna copy our cat and ball images here. Get these ones, copy and paste here. We're gonna use this. And next we go to controller views, index HTML. We're gonna develop JavaScript here. Here is our template. First we need game area. Its name will be, it's gonna be div and id game area, and it's gonna have cat and ball div. It's gonna show images, cat and ball images. We need a scoreboard here, and we need a fail message div here. We need start game and stop game buttons here, and we are gonna style our style is gonna consist of game area style, so our game area is gonna be position, relative, width, height, border, and background color will be these ones. And let's make CSS for cat CSS will be this, and it's gonna have image, include this one, and ball CSS here. The position will be absolute, and width, height, and we are gonna have style scoreboard. So our CSS classes are these ones. Next we are gonna write JavaScript file here, JavaScript codes. First of all, we need here constant ball, we get document get element by id, its name is ball, and constant cat. We're gonna use these ones, document get element by id, and let's copy and paste. We need score display, fail message, and game. This is gonna be score display, and score. This is gonna be fail message, fail message will be same actually, and it's gonna be game. We're gonna have game area. We have our constants here, we're gonna use these. Let's define variables to use. We need score variable, we need game started, bool variable, ball interval. We're gonna call move ball method with this one. We need speed, start with 2. So we're gonna move the ball with the using speed, increasing the speed. So we need ball top value to increase the value. Okay, so let's start with function start game. So our function, first we are gonna check if ball interval variable is not null or is true. If it is not null, we return because game is already started. And we score display here when the game start text content. We're gonna use this one. It's gonna be score here. So our score is starting with 0. And fail message, style display none. Okay, so we can start the game and game started will be true. But before that we need to reset ball method. It's gonna be start from top initial value the ball is gonna have, and we're gonna call ball interval is equal to set interval method. It's for loop move, we call move ball function at each 20 seconds. So it's infinitive loop. Keep calling the move ball method. Okay. Let's write the stop ball method here. In the stop ball method, game started will be false. We're gonna clear interval method to stop the set interval, calling the set interval. It's gonna stop it. So ball interval, give the ball interval variable, and let's ball interval will be null. Okay, next write reset ball function. We are gonna reset ball, so our ball top value will be 0 and ball style top value will be equal to ball top plus we add px here, and also we need to give random value to left of the ball. So we are gonna use math random method. We're gonna multiply it by game area. So game dot offset width. Also we're gonna subtract ball offset width. So our game area here, our ball is here, and so we're gonna subtract it, and it's gonna be random value. It's gonna have random value in between this area, and we're gonna assign it to the left, ball style left. So next we go to move function move ball. We write it. So we are gonna use ball top variable. We keep increase it with the speed value. Whenever we call move ball method, it's gonna keep increasing, and ball style will be top equal to new value px. Next we check if there is a collision with ball and cat. We call collision method. So if there is a collision, it means you got the point, increase the score, and we display the score text content equal to score. After scoring, we reset ball. It's gonna start from beginning and go return go outside the method. Next, we need to check if the ball goes to ground. If ball top value plus ball offset height, if it is greater or equal to game offset height value, it means you are on the ground and you fail. You stop the game and you give a fail message. Style display, it's gonna be black. Okay, here is we are done. Next we go to collision function. We check the collision with the ball and cat. First we need ball rect variable. We get it ball rectangle area coordinates and cat rectangle part of the cat. We get and we're gonna check if these are intersecting each other. So we are gonna return if ball rect right value cat rect left value smaller than, or this means ball completely on the left. Less ball rect value if it is greater than cat rect right value. So ball completely right. Next we check ball rect bottom if it is smaller than top. This means ball completely above the cat, and ball rect top value if it is greater than cat rect bottom. This means ball completely below the cat. So if any of them true, it's gonna apply this one true, then it's gonna return the opposite boolean value. Okay, collision is done. Collision method is done. Next we are gonna write add event listener for mouse movement, and when you move the mouse and cat is gonna move. So we're gonna make it mouse move function, get the event variable. First we check if game started here. If game not started, we return, go out to method. It should be started. Const we need game rectangle. Again, get bounding client rate. So here we're gonna get mouse x value. We get the event client x value, subtract game rect left value. Also we subtract cat because cat has width. We need to divide it by 2, so we should take half of the width, and our new x value will be this one. But we need to check if it is in the scope. If mouse x smaller than 0, new mouse x will be 0. It shouldn't be outside the scope. And also if mouse x is greater than game offset width minus cat offset it means outside the scope. If it is outside the scope, then the new mouse x will be this value. And of course we are gonna assign cat style left value will be the new one's mouse x value plus px. Okay, alright, we are done. Here we forgot stock ball. We need to call this method because if it is on over the scope or past the ground, we stop the ball and we give the message here. Alright, we are done. Let's run the program. Here we go. Here is our page. We start the game and cat is moving We have one score, two, score 2, score 3, let's fail. Okay, game over, refresh to play again. So our game is working. That's all. Thank you for watching.